nice voice. Thank you. I'm Ariel. I'm Belle. Wanna be friends? Yeah. Around the rosy, a pocket full of posy, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Oh, that was so much fun. We all fell down. Well, it's getting late. We should go home now. Yeah. The way that was in this video is the Disney princess, My Friend Areil. As you can see, Ariel's in her box. And it says Disney 100. The bottom shows a picture of Ariel. The side is pink with bubbles, and it shows Flounder. The back, it shows Ariel with a little girl, and it says Disney Princess. And on this side, it's pink and has bubbles, and it shows Sebastian. And now back to the front. I'm going to get it open. Alright, so now I'm going to get it open, and you'll see it. Got Ariel out of the box. So, let's see. She came with this green brush. Now let's look at Ariel. Here is Ariel. She's so beautiful. Her eyes are sparkly. She has on a purple tiara. Her hair is like this beautiful red curly hair. She has some lipstick. She has on this mermaid dress and purple shoes. And here's what you could do with her. You could brush her hair, and you could just play with her how you want. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe, and in the comments let me know what you think. Bye.